Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add pad in and pad out sound effect to your video, to your sound in CapCut easily. So for instance, I'm going to open my project, and previously I have been added the sound and yeah. To add the pad in and pad out effect, you can click on the sound and can find pad and just swipe to the right to adjust for the pad in and pad out. Yeah, let's see. So, and just listen the result. Can see for the I'm going to split, remove and use to put the pad out. Alright, yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.